Drop in your hex bolts while working. Well, I never do. These are the color-coded magnetic hex bits from Racketeers. Made to last with a magnetic tip for no-drop applications. These color-coded nut drivers come in various sizes and lengths for all your electrical work. These hex bits are made in both 2.5-inch and 6-inch lengths and are color-coded for easy identification. And they are actually built to last in your impact. Available in 7/16, 5/16, 1/4-inch, 3 1/8, and 1/2-inch sizes. Never lose a bolt again with our magnetic tip color-coded hex bits. Available from Racketeers.com or your local electrical supplier.